While the dust has settled on Halloween and the candy has been doled out to all the youngsters, it's important to keep in mind the effects that it can have on your teeth. Our Tyler Dupnick is here to explain how kids can still enjoy those sweets without doing too much damage to those pearly whites. Tyler.
Yeah, Alex, it really is an underrated part of this spooktacular holiday, but dental care should be taken into consideration when it comes to the candy consumption for children.
Halloween is always a fun night for children to dress up and go trick-or-treating, but it can be tricky for parents to navigate afterwards when it comes to dental health. All of the different kinds of candy can be a literal sugar rush for kids, but that sugar can do damage to their still developing teeth.
Sticky hard candies, they can stick on the teeth, and kids, maybe their enamel isn't as hard as permanent tooth enamel, so cavities can form a little bit easier with young ones, and they're not always the best brushers as well, so making sure that we get the candy off is the main goal.
Creating a strategy for how much candy a child consumes and when that child eats it is key.
You pick out the best candy that you want, combining it with meals as a dessert. That's going to be better for your teeth than having it as a snack, eating it throughout the day. I would say try to pick out the best candy, keep it in your house for about a week, and then after that, try your best to get rid of it. That would be the best thing to do with that candy.
Dr. Joel Edwards with Big Smiles Ranch Pediatric Dentistry says that there is a high risk for cavities here in West Texas and that Halloween is just the beginning of a candy run.
I think for it being Halloween, just make sure if you do eat candy, brush and floss afterwards. If we do that, then that's going to take care of the little uptick that we have here. Try not to give kids candy before bedtime and then not brush their teeth. That's going to be what causes the most detriment to them. So if we can do that, then hey, we can have healthy smiles and get through the Halloween season.
Now, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and Easter are also part of this cumulative effect that we all must be aware of. However, with the focus on Halloween at the moment, you can go to OperationGratitude.com or SoldiersAngels.org to donate excess candy towards a great cause with the latter's program called Treats for Troops.